I'm about to put 12, 23, because today the 11th. I'm gonna plant the bean on this side, and I'm gonna plant the swiss-chard on the other side. So I'm gonna write that name on the other side, and I put the date in how many seeds I'm about to sprout on this pepper tail.
Funny to give up my babe, funny to beat on my land, my mind running to the other side when it's time to leave my life. Then it tries to take me out, tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need more love. I really need a free mind. I really need your love. I need to free my mind now. I really need your love. I really need a free mind.
Y'all can see on this paper, I got spinach, the date, watermelon, and garden beans. So I'm about to plant those now.
Yeah, to set me free. Now I need to find what I need. Right, yeah. I really need time. I really need a free mind. I really need mind. I need to
Get your seeds in here. Okay, we're gonna spread little 5 seeds out like a spades game. You know how they got the 5. Anyway, not like a spades game, girl. Yes, like a spades game. So let's put a little damp on this. Just dampen it a little. Just a smidge. I'm just gonna dampen it by each seed. Okay. Then alright, cut. Rub that on that. Pick her up. It's damping 5 seeds. Put her over here. And I'm probably gonna fast forward y'all through this. Y'all don't need to see this.
right, yeah. I really need time. I really need a free mind now. I really need mind now. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I really need a free mind now. I really need mine now. Oh, yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me your love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way when you cannot see. Man with this system, you cannot pray. I need to find belief. But behind my mind, it runs. All these thoughts are happening. Funny to give up my babe. Funny to beat on my land. My mind running to the other side when it's time to leave my life. Then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah. I really need more love. I really need a free mind. I really need your love. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I really need a free mind now. I really need joy now. To set me free, freer than the open mind, farther than the eyes can handle.
Okay, Miss Becky. You don't put her right under the dick. She wants to jump in and jump out. And she wanted us to know what she was talking about. So she jumped ship. Because we wasn't listening. So that's done. Put the beans back in the beanstalk. So we got 6 of these for shits and giggles. Because we had so many multiple beans. I probably could have did. We'll see. We'll see. Because all of these beans are all together. So you get 1 bean. We just did an extra 2. that's that one. Ooh, got lost a little boom. What is the boom? I had a bean Ziploc bag. I can't see where it's at. I probably left it inside with the whatchamacallit. So let's get these on. And I already wrote on them. Yeah, okay. So I poured exactly 10. So let me open this up so I can place them.
I really need mine now. Yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me your love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way when you cannot see. Man with this system, he cannot pray. I need to find relief. But behind my mind, it runs. All these thoughts are happening. I need to give up my babe. I need to.
I gotta do an update so y'all can see if any of them sprouted. I might have 50% sprout still, 30, 20, probably 0 on none of them. So we'll see. So I'll be, I'll hit y'all with the update if I have any updates. Even if I don't get any updates, I will update y'all about the updates that I didn't get. You heard? Okay, we gonna give you some updates. So I have my pinto beans, 10 seeds, 10 swiss-chard. Then I have my Spanish watermelon garden beans in the back. And this is a experiment on, do your old seeds still have some type of sprouts? Can it still sprout? Can it still seed? Can it still grow into a healthy plant? I'm testing that out now. So stay tuned for the next video. It should take, about a week, 2 weeks at the most. And I'm giving it a lot more time, And I'm gonna just sit this in a sunny window in my home. And I'm gonna see which seed sprouts and which ones don't. And either way, I will give y'all an update on that. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I am coming with new content, blogs, different things of that nature, maybe DIYs. If y'all like my little coloring book, I may do a dark coloring book series if that's something y'all want to see. Maybe some paint and sip, and just have like a Q&A or just a sit down type of talk, and maybe I go live. Let me know if y'all want that, so y'all can really get to know me and who I got it out the soil really is. Maybe in that video I will share why I even started the channel. Okay, so let me know, comment down below, put the looking ass emoji if you want that video. Okay, put the looking ass emoji coming if you want that video. Okay. I want to remind y'all, make sure y'all get it out the soil no matter what. Even if life like it is for me right now, still get that content out, still get that business done, still go to that gym and I need to take my own advice. Okay, still do it. Get it out the soil no matter what. Okay, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video, turn on the notification bell so you'll know every time I got it out the soil drops a video. And you can stay tuned to the content, okay? Because I drop videos not exactly at 6 o'clock, so turn on that notification bell so you guys can stay locked in with me, okay? Come here, Kane. You got something to say, buddy? Because you always gonna interrupt me at the end. We gonna get a good interruption at the end from Kane, because Kane always got something to say, but nothing to say at all. You heard? And you still gonna ignore me, huh? Okay, I'll see how he do. He wanna play me on camera. but he be really trying to be my best friend off the camera. He be snuggling up to me, following me around like my shadow. Okay, he's my new shadow. But he gonna have to, you know what I'm saying? He gonna come on here and act real bougie. Like he ain't got time for me or y'all. You know what I'm saying? Don't get too bougie. Don't do too much, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, sometimes you're gonna have to tell that, yo, you know that friend, they be doing too much. That's him right. You gotta tell them, like, I bring them to the side a little bit, like, girl, you know, don't do too much, man. Not too much on me, because I don't want to have to cut your ass out. I don't want to have to do it not in front of all them people, girl, because you my friend. You know what I'm saying? You might road dog. I don't want to have to get, you know what I'm saying? So don't do too much. But anyway, you back. You gonna give us the word? What's the word, baby? What's the word? Well, what's the word then? Because you want to keep clowning me on these cameras, and I don't appreciate it. What's the word? Okay, the word is keep going no matter what. Okay, well, hit them with the knife then. But you can't be telling them part in your bag. When you do that, you got to look directly in the camera, okay? Oh, you look at me directly. Oh, okay. He said this motivation for me, not y'all, okay? Because I need to get up my ass and take my own advice. That's what he just told me. Oh, yeah. Make sure you follow me on Got It Out the Soil. That's on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and on Snap. So that's it for this video. Peace. I'll see you in my next video.
And the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the
Not one fail, girl. Okay, we got one right there. I guess that's gonna be a beanstalk, girl. Right there under the deck. Ain't good. It might turn to a red because it bees like that sometimes. Speaking of updates, I'm about to show y'all. I can't even say that I'm sick and tired. But let me end out this video first, and then, because this might go into a rant. So F the people. Oh, F me and the people. A child. Don't make me knuckle up. I might have to get it from the shoulders with you, okay? Baby boy, you lay on my mind. I'm a cut the can. Ooh, nah, nah, nah. Hopefully y'all can see me now. Now, damn, you just gonna walk off like that? That's how you feeling today?
I need a friend, my God. I really need